What, am I doing the intro?
No.
No! I feel like we need all of this in the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel at Fusion Motor Company. I'm here with my boy Nate. We got a cool truck for you guys today. We didn't build it.
Yep.
We call mint green.
Mint green.
Okay.
Mint green.
1969 Bronco. Okay, we'll talk about the drivetrain and everything, but what makes this car cool, it's a little story that how we got to this truck. Anthony Davis from the Lakers came down. We're working on some exciting projects that we're gonna show on the channel together with Anthony. But he came out and we're looking at some cars in the yard. We're in the back parking lot and he sees some old Broncos sitting there, undone, right? Unrestored. And right away he says, hey, I want to get one for my wife.
Yeah.
I want a truck like this for my wife. Could you build me one? I said, well, we can build you one. But the truth is, I have a good friend, and we do the warranty, and we're the authorized dealer in the West Coast for Classic Ford Broncos. And my friend Brian, he builds a ton of these trucks every year. And let me call him. Let's see if we can get you a truck. So he says, yeah, let's do it.
He goes, I want a mint green one. We pull up the website, boom, mint green's there.
Yeah, so I called Brian. Brian hooked us up with a great deal.
Yeah.
Not only that, he got the truck here super fast, right? I mean, we did this like in a week. Anthony approved it, bought the truck, and actually we're getting ready today to go and deliver it to his wife in their home and put it in the garage for her, and I'm sure she's gonna be super excited.
Yeah.
We're excited for her. It's a great truck. Nate, let's talk a little bit about the drivetrain on this. So, look, all done, all finished, really nice, well-built truck. So, let's talk about the drivetrain on this. This is a Gen 3 Coyote 5-liter attached to a 10-speed automatic. Okay, they got their logo. Here's their CFB logo. We're also going to have Madeline throw their website or their Instagram on the video, so if you guys want to check them out. And we have a great relationship with them. We carry sometimes their trucks. We do a lot of the pre-inspection delivery and paperwork for their West Coast customers, mostly in the Los Angeles area. And then we also provide warranty. So when they build a truck, we'll be the warranty center for them, where the truck can come back here. So it's kind of a nice setup. Even if you're buying the truck for them, it's nice to know that we're here to support it, and you don't have to go all the way to Ohio where they're located.
Because everyone wants a Classic Ford Bronco. I mean,
these things are so
everyone
popular.
that comes in, it's like they
so
love
popular,
them.
so popular. And so I'm sure Madeline will probably roll some B-roll, but Nate, you know what loved about this? One of my favorite is the vintage looking on the stripes and how they did everything, but the wheels. You know, Brian told me these wheels were like $5,000.
Oh, yeah.
They're a billet machine, and they look vintage. And I love the white that he picked as well. You know, it's not like a bright white. It's very, I call this like a refrigerator white, almost like the old refrigerator,
the 50s,
right?
Yeah,
the 50s refrigerator had those kind of colors. So I really love the color on the wheels. Super cool truck. It is on a stock chassis, but all the axles, everything has been redone, powder coated.
All the links are upgraded and the shocks. And,
it's got a Hydro Boost, I saw that, for brakes, got disc brakes on it. It's got a cool little top. Obviously, the top comes down. We have side windows if she wants to put them on. It's got amp steps on it that light up to get in and out.
Yeah.
It's got like a saddle interior.
Yeah, I know. I was laughing before and thought, what did you call it? Brown, tan, saddle? I mean, it perfectly matches the steering wheel.
It's really, really nice. It's got a little Bluetooth Alpine system in it. It sounds pretty good. He uses a lot of detail. We'll show in the drive for lighting, and I love his vents that he uses. All that stuff is super cool. I like that the cage is matching the wheels and all the white on it. That's super, super nice. Goes all the way back. Yeah, super cool. He used the white on the Ford here. I love the color combo on this. We've done many Broncos with them.
Oh, yeah.
This is definitely one of my favorite as far as the color combo. You know, you can argue drivetrain, suspension, things like that, but this is really a cool truck that I really really
But
enjoying.
even drivetrain and all that, this is a very standard, I don't want to say standard because it's high end, but 10-speed Coyote with upgraded
But it took
factory
people
is
forever to get to the 10
Yeah,
speeds. You
it
know how
did.
many people still was sticking like 4 speeds behind them and stuff?
but it was difficult
Yeah,
in the beginning.
it never
was,
ran.
it was,
Yeah.
it
Now
was-
these 10 speeds are
yeah.
like bulletproof. They shift so good.
Yeah.
I agree. We're not gonna lift it, but it's super clean. Super clean truck. I think. What do you think? You think we should take this thing for a drive?
Yeah. Let's
see
go
what it
around the
does.
block. Yeah.
All right, let's do that. Like we said, this has a 10-speed automatic attached to a Coyote motor that is a Gen 3 direct injected. So that's the newest and greatest. I know they're coming out with the Gen 4, but I don't think they're shipping them out yet. But great motor. We use them in the Eleanors. We've never had any problems with any of them. They've been really solid for us.
Yeah, big improvements in the Gen 3s over since
Gen
like
1?
a Gen
Yeah,
1.
Gen 1s were the worst.
Yeah.
Feels good,
It's
right?
quiet.
Yeah,
it's real
nice.
quiet.
I
yeah.
love it. Yeah, it's a chill little ride. Oh, one thing we didn't tell her. Remind me to tell her when we deliver the car. It has heated seats.
Oh,
That's cool with the convertible. You know, I
Yeah.
always appreciate that.
That's
So we
very
got to
cool.
show that and see what we need to do. Not too bad, huh? Pulls pretty good, huh?
it does. Drive straight.
Yeah.
You got these things worked out pretty well because some of these Broncos
Yeah,
are
they-
undrivable with the wrong
That's really
suspension
good,
setup.
Yeah, it runs
It's-
really nice. So we just came back from driving this thing.
It's a nice truck.
Really is a nice truck,
Yeah.
right? It rides
Yeah.
good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it. It doesn't do anything weird. It tracks really straight, even with the straight axles.
Yeah.
You know, it still rides like a Bronco with the short wheelbase. Plenty of power.
Yeah.
Brakes felt great. Great truck. Hey, Brian, good job over there.
Yeah.
This feels great. Yeah, I'm excited to deliver it.
Yeah, it's cool.
All right, I feel I'm gonna load it up on the tow truck and get it delivered. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Let us know what else you guys want to see on the channel in the comments. Let us know what you think about this color, about this truck, about this build. And then we'll see you on the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe.
It's fresh. It's fresh, okay?
He looks like he just grabbed it. Do you even work here? Hey, you need to close the door now. Nate, say something.
I don't do the closing. She's gonna have a lot to edit on this one.
No, because you're being silly now.